Hi guys, I'm Rosa. Welcome to my channel. So last week, I posted a video in Facebook and magpapaliwanag ako. So this is the video. Wow, you got it!
Why?
Yes, good job! You're so smart! And the caption is, Teaching Calvin how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Good job, babe. I know the video is a little bit misleading kasi hindi naman talaga ni Calvin binuo ng buong-buo yung cube. So actually, binigay ko sa kanya yung cube na ang itsura ay ganito. Yan. So as you can see, buo na yung top layer and bottom layer. So kailangan niya lang i-move yung layers horizontally and solve na siya. Pero syempre, for a 3-year-old kid, good job yun, di ba? Calvin got his first cube from a birthday party in childcare. And ito yung cube niya. Unfortunately, kanina, while ginugulo ko yung cube, kasi nga bubuuin ko siya ulit for this video, biglang tumasik yung isang piece and hindi ko na makita kung nasan siya. So, ayan, sira na siya. Yan. And, thankfully, meron tayong friends na merong Rubik's Cube. And I would like to say thank you to Kuya Tintin and Ate Coco for lending me your cube. And this video wouldn't be possible kung hindi nyo to sa akin pinahiram. So, thank you very much. Meron nga palang nag-comment dun sa video ko. Itago na lang natin siya sa pangalang Christopher, aka Putragis na drummer. So sabi niya, wow, ikaw talaga nagturo? And sabi ko, oo, gusto mo turuan din kita? And that gave me the idea to create this video. O diba? Na-inspire pa ako. Akalain mo yung hater ko? Siya pa naging inspiration? Pero sabi nga nila, kill your haters with kindness. So, Putragis na drummer, salamat sa idea. Meron akong content ngayon, o diba? So, just a disclaimer, hindi po ako expert sa Rubik's Cube. Hindi ko kaya yung pipikit, pagdilat mata buo na. For me, this is just, libangan. So, para ka lang nagsosolve ng crossword puzzle, sudoku, or alam mo yung nag-find ka ng difference ng two pictures. Parang ganun lang siya. Libangan lang talaga siya sa akin. And first kong nagkaroon ng cube is way back 2008. And ang nag-introduce nito sa akin is one of my best friends na si Che. Hi Che! I miss you! And yon, so siya rin ang nagturo sa akin on how to solve this. But as time goes by, nagkaroon din ako ng sariling style on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Kasi sinasabing, ito lang yung steps. There are different ways of solving it and different styles. But this one works for me. Yeah, and as long as nabuo ko siya, masaya na ako. So before we begin, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung parts ng ating Rubik's Cube. Okay? So we've got 3 layers. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And then we have the middle parts. Okay? And the middle parts, yung mga hindi gumagalaw. Okay? So, like, red is opposite to orange, white is opposite to yellow, and green is opposite to blue. Okay? So, kahit guluguluhin nyo to, okay, same pa rin yan. Red is still opposite to orange, blue opposite to green, and white opposite to yellow. Okay? And then next is itong mga middle pieces natin na meron 2 colors. Okay? And then, yung mga corners natin na merong 3 colors. Okay? So, now that we know the parts of the Rubik's Cube, papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko siya isolve.
Okay guys, so this is our unsolved cube. And first, pili muna tayo ng color. Okay, so ang pili natin ay color green. Okay? So, ang una natin gagawin is to solve the top layer. Okay, and to solve the top layer, kailangan makagawa muna tayo ng cross na color green. Okay? Now, to make this cross, make sure na yung color dito sa side ay same color. Okay? So, first is, hanap tayo, green and red. So, nasa yung green and red? Okay, so andito yung green and red. So, napakadali lang. Yan. So, ayan na yung green and red. Okay? So, next naman is green and yellow. So, nasa si green and yellow? Green and yellow. Patingin ko green and yellow. Okay, that's green and yellow. Okay, so green and yellow. So, swipe lang natin dyan. Then, pull back. And, yan. So, green, red, green, yellow. Okay? Now, next is green and orange. Saan si green and orange? Green and orange. Oh, ito pala, si green and orange. So, lipat lang natin ganyan. And like that. So, green and orange. Green, yellow, green, red. And next is green and white. Okay? So, nasan si green and white? Ito si green and white. Okay? There. So, tama na. Ay, yan. There. So, tama na lahat ng, ito na yung cross natin. And tama na yung colors dito. Okay? So, next natin gagawin is yung colors ng corners. Okay? So, ako usually, naghahanap muna ako ng any color na green na nandito. Yan. Nasa side na to. So, what I'll do is, itatapat ko muna siya kung saan siya dapat nakalagay. So, green, yellow, and red. So, ito yun dito sa corner na to. So, first is, I'll move it away, go down, put back, and up. So, ayan na siya. Green, red, and yellow. Okay? And then, next is, hanap tayo. Green and, so yung ibang green nandito sa taas. So, ibaba muna natin sila. Okay? So, ayan, nandito na sa baba itong isa. And, kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa white, green, and red. So, nasa ba yung white, green, and red? White, green, and red. Okay? So, dito ko siya ilalagay. So, to do that, move away, down, get back, up. Okay? So, white, red, and green. Okay? Next corner is this one. So, green, yellow, and orange. So, gusto ko siyang ilagay dito sa green, yellow, dito pala siya. Green, yellow, and orange. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. So, move away, down, come back, up. Yan siya. Green, yellow, and orange. And the last piece is this one. So, nandito siya sa ilalim. So, gagawin muna natin sa kanya ay lipat lang natin siya. Okay, there. So, dito na siya. And, so, move away, down, get back, up. Okay, so, tapos na natin yung first layer. So, that's green, white, red, and yellow. Okay, so next naman natin gagawin is yung layer 2. Now, to make the layer 2, so, this is green, ang ilalim niya ay blue. So, what I usually do is, naghahanap ako ng anything na walang blue. Any center color dito na walang blue. So, like this one, red and yellow. So, itong red and yellow, dito ko siya ilalagay. So, dahil dito ko siya ilalagay, i-move away ko siya. Move away, down, get back, up. Okay? And then, ito, ibabalik ko siya sa taas. So, move away, down, get back, up. Okay? So, ayan na yung red and yellow natin. So, next is yellow and orange. So, ito, itatapat ko siya dito. So, that will make it the letter T. And dahil ilalagay ko siya dyan, I will move away, down, get back, up. Ito, lalagay ko dito. Move away, down, get back, up. So, ayan na yung yellow and orange natin. Now, next is orange and white. Okay? So, itong orange, lalagay lang natin siya dito. Again, is the letter T. And since dito natin siya ilalagay, so, i-move away natin siya. Move away, down, get back, up. And then, ito, ilalagay natin dito ulit. So, move away, down, get back, up. Okay? Okay, so ang next naman natin is white and red. Okay? So, nakaposition na siya. Ito yung white, that's the letter T. And ilalagay natin siya dito. So, move away, down, get back, up. And ito, babalik ko dito. Move away, down, get back, up. Okay? So, buo na natin yung first and second layer. Okay? Now, dito na tayo sa third layer. Ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. We need to make the cross first. Okay? So, it doesn't matter kung tama siya dito as long as magkaroon tayo ng cross na color blue. Okay, so now meron tayong bagong steps. So, ang bagong step natin ay yung swish, which is pa ganyan, okay? So, kung nakaharap akong ganyan, swish, okay? Up, move away, down, get back, and swish back. Okay? So, yan. So, straight na to. Tingnan natin siya. Swish, up, move away, down, get back, swish back. Okay, yan. So, meron na tayong cross. Ngayon, since may cross na tayo, itapat ngayon natin sila sa tamang color. Okay, kung itatapat naman natin siya dito, ito yung isang tama. Then, itong red, gusto kong ilipat dito. Ito, lipat ko dyan. Okay. Tapos yellow dito. So, mukhang dalawa or tatlong steps tong gagawin natin. Okay. So, up, move away, down, move away, up, away, down. There. So, white, yellow, orange. Okay. So, orange lalagay ko dito, yellow dito, and red dito. Okay. So, again, up, move away, down, away, up, away, down. Okay. So, there. Tama na siya. So, meron na tayong bottle. Okay. So, ayan. So, ang next naman is, i-correct natin tong mga corners natin. So, meron na bang tamang corner? Red, yellow. Wala pang tamang corner. Red, white, blue, and red. Okay, so wala pa tayong tamang corner. Okay lang yon. Okay, so kailangan kasi nating ilagay yung corner sa tamang position niya. Sa tamang corner niya. So, wala pang tamang corner na yon. So, pwede tayong mag-start sa any corner. Tama ba? Yellow, orange, and blue. Blue, orange, white, blue, red, white. Wala nga. Okay. Okay, so, ang next step naman natin ay, so, move away, up, get back, up, away, away, down, come back, and left down. Okay. So, ayan, meron nang tumama. Ito. Meron na bin tumama rin? So, ito actually, okay. So, ito kailangan natin i-move doon. Ito, kailangan natin i-move dito. Okay. So, ito na yung tamang corner natin. Okay. So, gagawin lang natin siya ulit. Move away, up, get back, up, away, down, get back, left down. Okay. So, tama na yung corner nito, tama yung corner nito. Ito, nasa tamang corner na siya, and ito, pero kailangan natin siyang i-twist. Okay? So, ang blue, kailangan nandito, yellow dito, and red dito. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay, down, move away, up, back. Down, move away, up, back. Okay? So, there, nabuo na natin siya, di ba? Nasa tamang position na siya. Ngayon, ito, magulo ngayon tong iba. But it's okay. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, i-move natin dito sa nearer sa atin, yung next na piece na kailangan nating i-switch. Okay? And then, do the same steps. Down, move away, up, back. Down, move away, up, back. Down, move away, up, back. Down, move away, up, and back. Okay, so, ito na yung part na dito ko na binibigay kay Calvin yung Rubik's Cube. Okay? And siya na lang yung mag-solve ng ganyan.
Fixed it! Good job! Okay guys, I hope you learned something new today. And as you can see, kailangan lang alam nyo yung steps. And of course, logic. And if this video is too fast for you, pwede nyo siyang i-pause while watching it. And then, pwede nyo rin akong sabayan while nagbubuo ng Rubik's Cube. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!